Today we will discuss about today we will discuss about tissue, animal tissue. We have completed the connective tissue up to the cartilage. We have seen the different cartilage. There are the different cartilage, and today we will see the bone. You know that the bone, it gives shape to our body. Whatever skeleton is present in our body, such type of skeleton, due to that skeleton we get the shape. So what is the internal structure of that bone we are discussing about here today. So firstly open your book. So you have observed here the such type of figure, and in that figure, look at here, this is the bone detailed structure. There are the different names, different labels given to that figure. So this is the bone cell, here the lacunas or the Haversian system, and this is the tiers of bone. So we will discuss about here the bone one by one. So firstly, you know that the bone connective tissue, and you know the connective tissue, the matrix is present, and in the matrix is a solid, semi-solid, hard substance is present, and this substance is called as the osine. The matrix of bone is called as the osine. So when we take the section of this bone, it looks like as this here. So it contains the matrix, and this is called as the osine, and this matrix, it is covered by the periosteum. Peri means outer layer, and osteum means the osteum, that is the bone. Bone is called as the osteum. So the osteum, periosteum. The osteum is here, and it is made up of a white fibers. So matrix of the bone is called the osine, and outer covering, which is called the periosteum. This periosteum is made up of white fibers. Then in that matrix, so the matrix is called the osine. In that matrix, here the lamellae are present. You know that the lamellae are nothing but the matrix is arranged in a concentric manner, and this is called the lamellae. The matrix, it is arranged in a circular manner, and it is called the lamellae. So the lamellae are present in the matrix. The lamellae also contain the lacunas. Lamellae are also contain the lacuna. Lacuna, that is the space, fluid filled space. This is the fluid filled space. This fluid filled space is called the lacuna. So the number of lacunae, the singular is called the lacuna, and plurals the lacunae. Look at here, this is the lacunae. Matrix is arranged in a circular manner but concentric manner. What is the meaning of concentric? Concentric means a smaller circle is inside, then the larger circle is outside to that circle. Again the larger circle is placed outside to that smaller one, and this arrangement is called the concentric manner. Okay, so the matrix is arranged in a circular manner, but it is in a concentric manner, and this in that matrix the lacuna are arranged. Lacuna means here this is the lacuna, here is also lacuna. Lacuna means a space, a fluid filled space, that is in that lacuna fluid is present, and that's why it is called the fluid filled space and is called the lacuna. Singular is called the lacuna, plurals lacunae. Lacuna contains single lacuna, each lacuna contains osteoblast. active bone cells, osteocytes, then inactive bone cells and osteoblast. Okay, so here in that lacuna the bone cells are present. Do you understand? And here a central canal is present. In that central canal the venules, that is the veins are present. So blood vessels are present. That is this is the artery, veins and the neurons are also present in the bone. Then here in that lacuna the bone cells are present. This is the bone cells which we have seen in the figure. So this is the bone cell. The bone cell centrally nucleus is present and the cytoplasm is arranged like a irregular finger like projection. This is the irregular finger like projection and these are called the canaliculi. So the canaliculi, it connects to the neighboring lacuna. It connects to the neighboring lacuna. So it connects to the neighboring lacuna. So it is, what is the function of that canaliculi? It connects to the neighboring lacuna and here it transmit the material cytoplasm toward the neighboring lacuna. So this is the bone cell which is present in the lacuna. So look at here in this figure also the lacuna is present and within that lacuna the bone cell is present. This bone cell having the canaliculi and the canaliculi is nothing but the finger like projections of that bone cell. So bone cell is present. Then Haversian system. So look at here, this is the bone. When we take the section of bone, it looks like this. This is the periosteum. Here the osine, that is the matrix is present and in that matrix here the Haversian systems are present. These are the Haversian system, that is the matrix is arranged in a concentric manner, circular that is but concentric, that is smaller one is inside, then again here the larger one, then the larger one. This is called the Haversian system. So in that Haversian system and here in the centrally in the Haversian system, centrally a canal is present. This canal, here the canal is present. This canal is called the Haversian canal. Okay. So the Haversian canal is present and in the Haversian canal the vessels are present, that is the red blood vessel as well as the arteries, veins and the neurons are present in a central canal. So question is also asked like that, the central canal of Haversian system is also called as ... Haversian canal. Your answer should be Haversian canal. Then and these two canals, here this is the Haversian canal, this is also a Haversian canal and it is connected by a perforating canals. That is the transverse canal, horizontal canal which connects the Haversian canal is called the perforating canal. So this is the perforating canal. Look at here. These are the perforating canal. This is the Haversian canal. Here is also Haversian canal and another one is that perforating canal. So do you understand the So do you understand the TS of bone? Okay. So this is the TS of bone. The matrix is called the osine. This is the osine. The matrix, it is covered by the periosteum. Osteum, that is the outer layer. The inner membrane is called the endosteum, and in endosteum the bone marrow is present. Here the matrix is arranged in a concentric manner. This is the concentric manner, and it is called the Haversian system. The matrix is arranged in the concentric manner is called the lamellae. This is the lamellae, and the lamellae contain, these are the lamellae. Lamellae contain the lacunae, number of lacunae. Plural is called the lacunae, singular is called the lacuna. Lacuna contain the bone cells. The bone cells are present in that lacuna. And how it looks like the bone cells? Bone cells are as like this. The bone cells are central nucleus, a large nucleus is present, and cytoplasm is arranged in a finger-like projection. This finger-like projection is called the canaliculi. Okay, this is the canaliculi, and it connects the neighboring canal or the neighboring lacuna. Okay, so neighboring lacuna. Then do you understand that which are the different parts related to that bone matrix? Osine. Then here the periosteum. Matrix is arranged in a concentric manner, is called the lamellae. Lamellae contains here the lacuna. Lacuna contains the bone cells. Osteocytes, osteoblasts are present. Okay. Then central canal is called the Haversian canal. These two central canals, they are connected by perforating canal. This is the perforating canal. Here the another name is also to that perforating canal, but okay. So this is the structure of bone. So this is simple structure of bone. Then on the basis of that matrix, there are the different types of bone. The spongy bones and the compact bone. Look at here. This is the compact bone, and here the spongy bone is present. This is the spongy bone, and here the compact bone is present. Spongy bone means Haversian system is absent in that spongy bone. Haversian system here in the spongy bone, Haversian system is present. In a compact bone, Haversian system is present. Matrix is arranged in the form of trabeculae. Trabeculae means the space is present. Look at here. This is the space. This is the space is present. In that space, trabeculae, it is called the trabeculae. And in that compact bone, no any space is present because here the Haversian system is present. And in a spongy bone, the red bone marrow, here, look at here. This is the red bone marrow is present. Red bone marrow, it contains the red bone marrow, and in compact red bone marrow is not present. So these are the difference between the types of bones. So do you understand that the types of bones, which are the two types of bones, spongy bones and the compact bone? Spongy bone is here, that is at the middle region. The spongy bone is present, and the compact bone. So the compact bone, Haversian system is absent. In spongy bone, Haversian system, in spongy bone, Haversian system is present. In compact bone, Haversian system is absent. Okay. So this is the difference between the types of bones, spongy bones and the compact bone. Then today's homework is write a note on Haversian system. Then distinguish between the spongy and compact bone. As well as the question is also asked, define the lamellae and define the canaliculi. So do you get my point? So as like this, here the tissue, connective tissue, that is the bone, we have completed. This is the bone. Now look at here, this is the figure. Can you understand here that which are the different parts? This is the, whenever the figure is given to you, this is the TS of bone. Okay, this is the TS of bone. What is this? This is the central canal, it's called the Haversian canal, and this is the The arranged matrix is arranged in a concentric manner and is called the lamellae. This is the single lamellae. Lamellae contain the lacuna. These are the lacunas. Look at here. These are the lacunas. This is the lacuna. This is the lacuna. Total system is called the Haversian system. This is the Haversian system. So number of Haversian systems are present in that bone. Number of Haversian system. Look at here. This is the number of Haversian system. Here the Haversian system, lacunas are present and lacuna contain the bone cells. This is the bone cell. Central nucleus is present and the finger-like irregular projections are called the canaliculi. So this canaliculi, it connects to the another lacuna. So they are interconnected to each other with the help of canaliculi. Okay. So this is the then here the central canal, Haversian canal. Then okay. So do you understand?